Psalms 23:1. Verse 1, The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Okay, kinsa na naka-memorize? Okay, sige. Ikaw na ate, sige.
Psalm 63 verse 1, the Lord is my shepherd.
Okay, very good. Next. Okay. Sige. Psalms 23. Sige na. Tindog sa. Sige na. Sige, tindog isa. Yan.
Psalm 23 verse 1, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want.
Okay, very good. Next. Sige. Sige na yun.
Psalms 23 verse 1, the Lord is my shepherd.
Okay, so very good. Next, sa pa. Walain na pa. So, unsay pasabot? Kinsay makapasabot sa mga